Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the client is updated and your account is linked so progress syncs properly. This avoids lost rewards. Once done, go straight to Event right arrow Special Bonus and tap the banner to open details. You need to claim any initial free tokens or one-time check-in rewards first because they unlock entry to higher tier tasks. Make sure your inventory has space and take a quick screenshot of the event page to track remaining time and requirements. Now focus on completing the core tasks that convert into bonus tokens, ranked matches, survival hours, and challenge-specific kills. Use a coordinated squad to clear team objectives faster. Once done, distribute roles so one person claims tokens while others secure areas. Redeem intermediate crates as they appear, because some rewards cascade into unlocks. If a mission has RNG elements, repeat the shortest reliable match type. Finish by converting all remaining tokens into the best available rewards. Choose limited cosmetics first because they disappear. Once redeemed, verify items in inventory and in-game mail. Sometimes crates auto-deliver after a short delay. If a reward is missing, first relog and wait a few minutes, and clear cache if needed. Then escalate with support including screenshots and event timestamps. That troubleshooting step usually resolves stuck claims and ensures you actually receive the special bonus you worked for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.